Welcome to the Home Victory Garden channel. If you're new to gardening and wondering where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm here to help you choose the best vegetables for your first garden. Growing your own food not only gives you fresh produce, but also saves money and offers a rewarding hobby. You might be wondering, why start with easy vegetables? Starting with easy vegetables is a great way to build your gardening confidence. These veggies require minimal care and are pretty hardy, meaning you can achieve success even if you're just starting out. So let's get started. Number 1. First up is lettuce. Lettuce grows quickly and can be grown in containers or directly in the ground. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for salads and sandwiches. Number 2, next we have radishes. They have a rapid growth cycle, taking only about 3-4 weeks to mature. Radishes need minimal space and add a crunchy texture and flavor to your salads. Number 3, carrots are another great choice. They have deep rooting systems, making them drought-resistant and can be grown in various soil types. Plus, they are nutritious and taste sweet. Number 4, spinach is a fast-growing leafy green that tolerates cooler temperatures well. You can use spinach in salads, smoothies, and a variety of dishes. Number 5, green beans. They are low maintenance and offer high yields. You can grow them vertically, which saves space, and they are versatile in cooking from steaming to stir-frying. Number 6, zucchini. These are prolific producers with minimal care requirements. You can use zucchini in savory dishes or even baking. Number 7, cucumbers grow fast and are highly productive. They thrive both in ground gardens and containers, adding a refreshing taste to salads and pickles. Number 8, peas are hardy and grow well in cooler climates. You can grow them vertically on trellises, and they offer a sweet taste along with nutritional value. Number 9, for beginners, cherry or grape tomatoes are easier than larger varieties. They have a compact growth habit suitable for small spaces and add sweetness to various dishes. And finally, number 10, bell peppers. Once established, they are relatively low maintenance. They come in vibrant colors and flavors, perfect for everything from raw snacks to roasted dishes. How about some tips for successful vegetable growing? Consider soil preparation. Use good quality soil with proper drainage. Adding compost or organic matter will enrich the soil, giving your plants the nutrients they need. Watering and maintenance. Consistent watering is key, but avoid overwatering. Regular weeding will keep your plants healthy by reducing competition for nutrients. Patience and observation. Be patient as the plants grow at different rates. Keep an eye out for pests or diseases and address them promptly to ensure healthy growth. Now, let's recap the 10 easy vegetables we discussed: lettuce, radishes, carrots, spinach, green beans, zucchini, cucumbers, peas, cherry or grape tomatoes, and bell peppers. Start small and expand as you gain confidence. And there you have it. 10 vegetables that are a breeze for beginner gardeners. I'd love to hear about your gardening experiences. Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Home Victory Garden channel here on YouTube for more gardening tips. And visit our website at www.homevictorygarden.com. Happy gardening!